We are getting VVDI MB set up. If you don't have VVDI MB, purchase it immediately. Get unlimited tokens for the year. This is an FSB3. This is going to be done 100% by OBD. It's going to take about 20 minutes total. All right, like many cars we work on, the battery's completely dead. Whenever you get a car, especially a Benz, you have to hook up jumper cables. Jump pack will not do it. You need a lot of power. If you got a good battery, hook up a maintainer, turn the flashers on, turn the lights on, wake this car up, get your VVDI MB, your laptop, and a key, a clean virgin key. BE keys are the best, X-Horse BE keys. So we're gonna hook this up to the car, get this thing started. Good morning, Noble Locksmith fam. We are on a 2010 E350. The way you tell what build it is right here on this plate, A212. This is a W212 build. We are getting VVDI MB set up. If you don't have VVDI MB, purchase it immediately. Get unlimited tokens for the year. And get everything installed and updated on your computer, because you do want to be doing these cars. This is an FSB3. This is going to be done 100% by OBD. It's going to take about 20 minutes total. All right, here we go. We have got we've got our system up. We're going to read EIS data. All right, quickly got EIS data. See that? That's great. Now we're going to password calculation. All right, we want to make sure to select this. Select if the lost all working keys. All right, we know this is a 212 build. See that automatically populated. We're gonna do data acquisition first. Now, connect device OBD line to car. We have the OBD connected because we read the EIS. All right, so now it read the EIS. Connect IR adapter to the VVDI MB. Follow the instructions very carefully, all right? It doesn't say put it in or anything, it just says connect it. Okay, now, down here at the bottom, insert IR adapter to the car. Let's put it in. Doesn't say put it in and turn it, it just says put it in. All right, see the numbers on the bottom. We want that to be going up very slowly. If it jumps 20, 30, 40, 50 hours and hours, something's wrong, just stop it. So we just cranked up to about 8 minutes and now it's going back down. We're in good shape. I'll get back with you in a second. All right, just to go over a few things. So we're counting down, we're down to 7:52. You need really good internet. I have a little hotspot. Your phone can work, but I like to have a hotspot separately. I'm at the auction right now and the internet and the data is terrible here, so it's gonna be a little slower than normal. I usually estimate about 20 minutes for these. Again, this is only through OBD. VVDI MB hooked up through OBD with the IR connector into the EIS. There is nothing else hooked up. This EIS is not removed. All I have done is open up VVDI MB, went through the process like you normally would if you were doing it on the bench or any other process with the fuse system through the steering lock. So you're gonna see, and it's usually pretty accurate. So about 10 more minutes, I would say. We're gonna come back and show you we got a password. All right, we're back. 9 minutes and 35 seconds. We have acquired data. All right, we're going to put a folder. Now, important, always do this. Make a folder. Right now, I'm just gonna label it E350. The way you wanna label these and save every one you do is last 8 of the VIN, year, and model. You're gonna do this for all your European stuff that you have to do some type of EEPROM or some type of waiting around to get passwords for. So what I'm gonna do, I got that one. I'm going to go here, desktop, my E350. I'm gonna save this VIN file. All right, acquisition finished, save data. Now upload, acquisition is finished, upload data. All right, follow the instructions. Upload data. We're gonna upload the file we just saved. All right, please wait. Upload success. Next, we wanna query result. You want to click auto refresh, so it doesn't get it on the first one, it'll automatically refresh, of course. So do you want to start auto refresh? Yes. All right, so this usually takes a minute or so. This can fail. I have had it fail one time. It'll go and fail. You will have to go back through the data acquisition phase all over again, another 10 minutes. If you try to upload that existing file, it will not work. So I've only had it happen one time. I think my internet went down and it failed, got a bad file. Another thing that is so imperative is good battery on these. Oh, bam. So that was not even a minute and we got a password. Now, what I do, copy that. Do not lose that guy. And I go over here, open that up. I'm gonna make a text file. I'm gonna name it pass. Call it whatever you want. Just save that password. All right, customer calls you 6 months from now. Hey, lost the key. I think you did this job for me. No problem, give me the last 8 of your VIN. I can make this key, send it to him in the mail if I want to. So I charge $300 for that service. You want me to come out and make a key for you? I don't even have to get out of the van, make the key for you. This right here, this FSB3, which has taken us all of about 20 minutes on site. I'm gonna be in the $400 to $500 range, depending on how far the drive is. I'm at the auction, so typically I charge them about $300 to $350. They give me a lot of work. All right, so we got the password. Now, go back to EIS tools, read EIS data again. All right, then we're gonna put our password in there, paste that in there. Now we're gonna save the EIS date. Where we're gonna save it? We're gonna save it in our file we made, the E350. All right, saving it. All right, then it wants you to save another file. Honestly, I do not know why. It doesn't matter, you can actually use either one of these files. Now, we're going to prepare a key file. All right, load EIS data. Doesn't really matter. I just usually load the last one that I did. All right, so we did that. See all that? Beautiful. I'll leave them all checked, just everything checked. It doesn't matter. All right, so the other thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go back to our folder and we're going to make a folder in our folder called key. We wanna save our key tracks. With the key tracks and the password, we can make a key for this vehicle. All right, so this takes 30 seconds, just like it says. All right, we got key files. So we wanna go to our desktop. All right, our desktop, better system. All right, we're going to our E350. We're gonna go to keys. We're gonna save it. All right, so now it's preparing our keys. Done. Okay, now it's read write key. So first thing you do, put this in there, put the key in the MB, identify it, make sure you got a good key. All right, reading data success. We got a BE key. We wanna make sure. Let's load a key file. Sean always does 7. Let's do 7. 7, 51, you're always doing 51. 11 and 41 don't matter to us, always 51. We got the key file loaded. Let's write it. Look at the bottom, writing data, please wait. Writing data success. Let's identify it again. All right, we got a key ID, we got information. All right. So now what's next? We're done. At this point, I don't really care if the car starts or not. That's irrelevant to me. I know that this key is good for this car, but we're gonna put it in. This car is so dead. I don't know if you can hear it trying to crank. I've got cables on it. Benzes especially need a lot of power to start, but all I care about, that locks, that unlocks. This turns on the car and wants to start. I'm done, all right? Now I'm at the auction, so that's okay because it's up to them to get it to run. You're at a customer's house. Maybe you want to throw the jump pack on there. Maybe you want to throw an extra booster on there to get it to start and show them. That's completely up to you. But as you can see, this is done. Close this out. Yes. In our folder, we've got the key tracks. We've got we've got both bin files. We have the data file and we have the password saved. Save this in the cloud, save this on an external drive, save this. This is going to pay you money in the future. All right, now you can see, Sean didn't believe me. FSB3 in 20 minutes.